guys, Ryan with the Driven Channel. I'm here. I am in Project Unicorn Volkswagen. I'm here with my son John. We're about to take this on its first actual kind of drive. Now I can't drive it for very long. Cooling fans still aren't working up front, so got to keep up a little bit of speed. Shouldn't be a problem to keep things from getting hot. And really, realistically, I only have about a couple minute drive to get home anyway, or a few minute drive to get home anyway. So first thing that I notice whenever you start this car is it almost makes that torquey, underdriven, like V12 German car kind of noise whenever you start it. Automatic climate control works good, actually. Now there's a mosquito flying around in here that I just killed. Oh, no I didn't. Clutch take up is nice and smooth on this car. It's actually really quite easy to drive. The stick shift is not very sloppy. It's actually pretty good as well. You gotta come out of here at kind of an angle because this car is lowered and it's kind of long. And we're gonna give it just a little bit of gas right here. And here we go. Oh yes! I tell you, given that I drive a 12-second car from my daily driver, this car still feels pretty quick. And from what I understand, these things are supposed to run at 14 something stock, so that's not too terribly surprising. I'm gonna take a little right here and make another little pull as soon as we get away from some traffic. And here we go. Pretty noises, by the way. One of the main reasons why somebody buys a W8 is the noises, and the Remus exhaust isn't too loud on this car. Actually, it's kind of understated, but it makes gorgeous noises. Somebody put a K&N intake on this car as well, so you get some of that induction noise too. I haven't really adjusted any of the mirrors or anything in this car because I didn't really drive it much at all today. So we're going to go through a roundabout up here, so we'll see how well it actually handles. I'm going to keep it in second gear because, good Lord, I love the sound. Oh, by the way, for all of those people that thought that I couldn't drive a stick shift because I always talk about how great I love the DSG transmission, I'm driving a stick right now just fine. Thank you very much. We're going to go all the way around this roundabout just so I can do it. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, it does a good job. Now we have to do a little dig race against a Hyundai so that I can get back over in the other lane. Wonder if we'll win. Oh no, they got the launch! And we still won. Car handles great. I'm going kind of a long way to get home, which I probably shouldn't be doing, but I'm keeping the speeds up so it's not getting hot. I'll take a right here. Engine pulls so strong and so smooth. Never have I driven something with 8 cylinders that almost revved like something with a small displacement 4-cylinder. Now this is a 4-liter V8 engine, so it's not really a huge displacement engine, but it's twice the size of what I'm used to driving. And it's just as smooth as butter. So I better get this thing home so that I can get it nice and cool and we can come back to Project Unicorn Volkswagen another day. But for right now, I just want to say, never driven one of these cars. This is amazing. This is awesome. This is me, Ryan with the Driven Channel, signing out. You guys enjoy your day, and we'll see you